See, loud. See, I have. We know that from chimney, hot industrial exhausts are coming out from chimney as having a large amount of heat energy, and it is completely wasted in environment. So here I introduced a system, a design to use that very heat energy to convert in electricity. From here a liquid is inserted inside this pipe, closed chamber. It is completely closed chamber. The name of the liquid is N-heptadecan, normal heptadecan, having low latent rate of vaporization. After that, after insertion, it consumes heat energy from the chimney and then evaporates, expands, and then exert pressure on this turbine system. After exerting pressure on that very turbine system, it is produces electricity and then again go back to this spiral pipe system to go get condensed faster, quickly. And after that, this system is repeated again and again to produce electricity. And the second unit is electrostatic precipitation unit. The second unit is electrostatic precipitation unit. We know that this is anode and this is cathode. Okay. So when high voltage is applied through this anode, then electrostatic precipitation occurs. How? When the smoke come in this chimney and high voltage is applied, then the smoke particles are partially ionized. Polluted particles are partially ionized. Generally, the positive charge came in the polluted particles. It having already positive charge because of anode, it having negative charge because of cathode, and the smoke particles having a positive charge because of this high voltage applied through. So positive repulsion and positive negative attraction. So the particles are generally particles precipitate on the walls of the precipitator is this chimney, and then the smoke is approximately 99% purified. These both systems are combined in the single unit, electrostatic and the electricity generation as well as the control of pollution can be occurred simultaneously.
What's your ambition?
Ambition, sir, to be a scientist in ISRO, Indian Research Organization.
And you are from which school?
I'm from SBSB High School, Kasab, sir. Presently, I'm studying in St. Karan Secondary School in Patna.